and I'm just setting the date. App.sessionState is the class I talked about that is just like in XAML, suspension manager. So all you have to do is say app session state start date, and now you've got a variable that will be part of that. And you can go ahead and save that out, or you can go ahead and load that. You can also periodically, there is an app on save, let me see if that's in here. No, this code's not doing it, but what you can do is you can actually add that on app, and then it'll periodically automatically save that stuff for you as well. So that's how easy that is to do in JavaScript. If we run this, you'll see here's my grid. I go ahead and I got my ticks moving back and forth. I come into my default JS. I'm going to say suspend. You can see I'm now going through JavaScript. And by the way, this is Visual Studio, so even with JavaScript, if I go over this, you'll see I get all of the ability to drill down into the object and what the properties are. I can come in here and I can add a watch, just like any other language. So you can see right here, it has the particular date at the bottom. And we'll go ahead and continue. And now we will resume. And you can see I've resumed, I've suspended, and I've resumed. And you can see the difference in ticks. If we go, we do the termination event. Run it. Same exact thing. So I like this example because not only is it showing you app lifecycle, but it's showing you the real power here is WinRT. And the language, the way that you integrate with the language is you call those APIs in the same way that you would in JavaScript. In JavaScript, it's just an element that I'm going to get from the DOM. I'm going to create a JavaScript object for that element, and then I'm going to go ahead and take an event listener to that object. Make sense? Okay. So, if your app is suspended, I mentioned no CPU, disk, or network, all threads are suspended, the app remains in memory, and then the apps are instantly resumed when users go back and forth. Saving and restoring session state. So that was the app.sessionState. What we do inside of our JavaScript templates is we create a new variable. So we say var app. Look at that. Now it's at a bigger resolution, too. There's something going on there. Cool. Nope, we've got even bigger slides now.